Quick tip for my little bros that's getting ready to go to college and my little bros that's already in college. Get outside, bro. I don't care if you stay in a dorm, your own apartment, or your parents' crib. Get on campus, get active, get social, meet new people. That's what college is about, bro. Making connections. Making connections is just as important as the lectures. I don't remember half the stuff I learned in the classroom, but some of the people I met in college, I'm still rocking with a lot of them today. And I ain't trying to tell you to party all the time and not go to class and shit. What I'm saying is don't just be in the crib cooped up all day and night, because everybody's there to meet people, make friends, right? So sometimes things are just going to fall into your lap. And I got a quick story time for you to make it make sense. So look, I went to University of North Texas. And if you know UNT, you know that Curry used to be cracking. So I leave my dorm, right? Take the elevator, go downstairs. I'm going to go across the lobby, and then I'm going to go back up the elevator and holler at my boy and them, see if they're trying to play some 2K. As I'm going across the lobby, I see these two girls, right? And then one of them called me over there. She was like, hey, yo, come here real quick. So I go over there. I'm like, hey, what's going on with y'all? Y'all straight? She was like, yeah, you handsome. Can you walk me to my room? I'm like, yeah, I got you. Like, what about your home girl? I got a partner who can probably walk you to your dorm. So I introduced her to my boy, right? So boom, we proceed to head to her spot. And then as we walk in, we talking. It's a few blocks up. And I'm already knowing she feeling me because for one, she said I'm handsome. For two, she asked me, a complete stranger, to take her to her crib. I'm spitting the game. The game is pristine. I'm saying just enough, right? Not too little to where she feel like I'm disinterested, but not too much to where I'll talk myself out of a situation. Getting to know her a little bit, flirting here and there. So we make it to her dorm. She let me in her room just as I expected. And then for lack of better words, I'm going to just say we had a good time that night, all right? So look, that was a layup, bro. It fell right into my lap just because I was outside. If I was in my room that night, I wouldn't have got that layup. So that's why you need to go outside and be active, bro. Remember what you're there for, but still have a good time.